Hey guys, it's Levator Siobhan. If you want to know how I got this look from very straight hair, then stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm going to start by applying some argan oil to my hair. It's braided, it's going to be under weave, so not my hair but particularly my scalp, just to make sure that my scalp stays hydrated. When I take my braids down, I don't want to know that I have dandruff or anything like that. So typically before you do anything with your hair where your hair is going to be up for a long time and you won't have access to your hair, you should definitely oil your scalp or grease your scalp, whatever you say, however you say it. Okay, so the type of hair that I bought, I got it from my beauty supply store for like $95, is the Naked Nature Shake and Go hair, the Bohemian curl, and I got it with 2 10 inches, 2 12 inches, 2 14 inches, and a silk based closure, and we'll get to that closure shortly. I did not use all the hair. I have a little bit of my other 10-inch bundle left and this 10-inch bundle left, and I'm telling you guys, this is not 10 inches to me at all. So with the Shake and Go hair, you can wear it wet or curly. Not wet or curly, you can wear it straight or curly, and these are the pictures right here. So this is the hair if you wear it straight, this is the hair if you wear it curly. I particularly want to wear the hair curly, so I went ahead and bought a wig cap, and I'm going to, and I sewed the hair onto the wig cap, and I have this wig right here that you see in the picture, the description picture. I sewed an elastic band onto the wig as well, to make sure that it'll stay secure on my head. And this is the silk based closure that they were talking about. This is not silk based at all, and let me show you. It only comes with the middle part, and I tweezed this middle part kind of poorly, but it took like the strength of God to pull these hairs out of this silk based closure. I don't know what it is, but I don't know, it's like they use wood glue or something to keep this to keep these hairs up in there. I have a spray bottle here with lukewarm water, and I'm going to add some of the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner to the water bottle, and the water bottle is filled up about 3/4 of the way, so I'm going to use this last quarter and fill it with the Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner. Now how I'm going to do this, I'm going to separate my hair into sections, like the sections where I sewed the hair on, and I'm just going to take some hair each section at a time, and you can already see like this hair is already curling up to its, I don't even want to say natural state, I don't know what it is. And I'm just going to take my spray bottle and spray the hair. And wait for it to curl up. It better curl up. Let me grab a towel, guys. Okay, I see the hair starting to curl up, so I'm just going to keep spraying at it. And I'm going to scrunch it with my hands. half of my pink rods went, but now I'm just going to go a size up and use the peach color one. Peachish, whitish, whatever. How many of these things I have in my head, maybe 20. I have maybe 20 twists in my head. So what I'm going to do is take this off. It's choking me. Okay, I'm going to take this off and put it on the wig head. Okay, and we are going to set her aside. Alright guys, I let the hair sit overnight. It's now 6 o'clock in the morning. And once again, this is my hair. It's like a little By Felicia wig. And I'm going to put it on. And I did pick the closure a little bit more. And sorry guys, I just need to get everything aligned. And as you can, like, this closure, I did not pick it straight at all. And this side, I did too much on this side, but we're going to conceal everything. And we're just going to take all of these perm rods out. Alright, and untwist the hair. Okay, now I'm going to go through the hair again and separate the twist that I just untwisted to give the hair a little bit more volume and make it look fuller. Okay, as you can see, I'm doing this with my fingers. So I'm about to just pick through it a little bit with a pick and come back and show you the final look. Alright guys, this is the final look of this hair that I'm rocking, the Shake and Go Bohemian Curl that came in a 7-pack. This is the 2 10 inches, 2 12 inches, and 2 14 inches. As I said in the beginning of the video, I did not use all of the hair, so this is it right here. I feel like this is a very natural look. I wasn't going for the hair that comes all the way down here because, you know, it just doesn't look natural to me. on me. But yeah, this is it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I'm pretty sure you can find Shake and Go in your average beauty supply store. If not, look it up online. I only paid about $95 for this hair, and I think it's a pretty good hair, especially for fall. Like something that's like easy, just shake and go and you're finished. So if you have any questions, comment them down below, and don't forget to like this channel, subscribe to this channel, and be on the lookout for more videos. Say bye.